for Santa, and then I'm gonna make a tree.
The Christmas tree, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna decorate it, and we've got all these yummy toppings.
Yeah. So first we have to make this one, and then we have to make the Christmas tree. Okay?
Alright, let's do it.
Ooh, I didn't know that there was this. I never saw this.
Oh,
It was need this.
Yeah.
Now, we need the cookie. How can I open it now?
I'll open it for you.
I'm like a chef. First we have to do this.
Okay.
Spray. Set. Oh, I need this. Okay, got this. Squish in. Okay. See if it works. I think it's done.
It's so big too. So we've done the cookies.
Yep.
We're gonna put them in the oven now for 8 minutes.
Yep.
Which one's your favourite topping?
Marshmallows. You know what?
What? All of it. Cookies done. So there's our cookies. Now we're gonna put some eyes and buttons. Alright, all done. Let's put them in the oven.
Now we're gonna make a Christmas tree.
Let's do it. So we made 2 layers because this one we're gonna decorate this one first, and then we're gonna pop that one on top.
Got the Nutella. Now we have to spread it.
So I've got a spoon to make it easier.
Oh yeah.
It's so much easier, right? Hey, Tiki. Okay, so we'll put the other layer on top. It looks a bit messy, but it's gonna be so yummy.
Then we have to put it in the oven.
Yeah. Alright, so here's your cookies.
Where's my little
No.
Okay, now let's decorate it.
Okay. That's so cute. Hi, Manny. Did you have a nice sleep? You want to decorate cookie? You want to make some?
What? I'm gonna... Blue.
Yes, that's right. Yum. Wow, good job, Milan. Is it yummy?
Look at this, look. Okay, white.
Which one's white? That's right, white. Good boy. Taste it. Is it yummy? Okay, Milani, the tree's done.
Oh, now you touch it. Oh, man!
It's so hot.
It looks like snow is raining.
Looks like
on
snow,
it.
yeah.
A little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there.
Yummy.
Okay, now for the taste test. Okay. Many, money, money. What you feeling, money? If you lose and win, money. No.
Wait, let's call Daddy.
Oh!
Okay, call Daddy.
Oh!
5 minutes later.
Yummy! So I should try this one first?
Yeah.
Mmm. So good.
Okay, now we have to eat this.
Oh, yeah. Mmm. So good.
What about this one?
Mmm. I'm trying to eat his leg or his head. Mmm.
It's
So
good.
yummy.
Now Milan's gonna try it, and let's see which one Milan's favorite is. Okay.
Isn't it really good, Mama?
It's a good one?
Yeah.
Yay. Alright, which one's your favorite? This one? Yum. Okay, Mommy, enjoy.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.